and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm super excited because I have another special guest on my channel, and for those of you that have saw the first video, you know that Allan's going to be covering a couple different backyard barbecue favorite recipes, and today we're
going to do my dad's barbecue baked beans. So shout out to my dad. Thank you so much for this recipe. It's awesome. I've done a couple different modifications to it, obviously, now that I am vegan. So instead of using bacon, I like to use ground beef, the Beyond Meat, which works really, really well.
Yeah.
But honestly, this is also a really, really super easy recipe. You can put it together in probably about like 15 minutes. It bakes for about 20 minutes, and it's done.
Yep.
So that's pretty much all I got. There's no...
It's amazing.
Yeah,
So
I don't
you
have
guys
any
just...
inside tips or anything.
No, that's fine. You guys should stay tuned and watch to see how Allan prepares his dad's famous barbecue baked beans. And before we hop into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on Allan's next recipe. And then if you missed the potato salad, Allan's grandmother's potato salad recipe, which I highly recommend you try it because you're gonna love it. We'll link it right up here if you missed it. But yeah, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's hop into the video.
Let's do it.
So to get started on your baked beans, you will saute your onions, green bell pepper, and pasilla peppers in a saute pan with your butter and lightly season with salt and pepper. Next, you will drain your beans and mix together in a casserole dish.
Allan, what are some of the best beans to use for this recipe?
Some of my favorites are chickpeas, pinto beans, kidney beans, black beans, and great northern white beans. You can also use cannellini beans, but it's honestly up to you, whatever your favorite type of beans are.
Awesome. And then you want to also add in those sauteed vegetables and mix that well with your beans.
Correct. Next, we will add our barbecue sauces and yellow mustard. And an important thing to keep in mind is if you want your beans less spicy, you can modify the amounts of barbecue sauce. So you can use more of the traditional barbecue sauce and less of the spicy.
Next, you want to add in your brown sugar as well as your spices. And once again, we use Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder.
Another variation to these beans is using a vegan beef substitute. My favorite to use is Beyond Meat, and you will saute it in a skillet, add to your beans, smooth over, and bake in the oven.
Alright, so like I said, this recipe is super easy and so amazing. Like, these barbecue baked beans, thank you, Dad, so much for teaching Allan how to do this for real.
Thank you, Dad.
Beans, I know they aren't Bush's and Campbell's or anything like that. They are better
Homemade.
than
With
that.
love.
Homemade barbecue baked beans. So yeah, I mean, let us know what you think down in the comment section down below. Let us know if you're gonna try this out, and if you do try it, let us know what you think.
Yeah.
You know, and of course, if you like this video, you already know what to do.
Thumbs up.
That's right.
Show us some love.
Show us some love. Give us a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on Allan's next barbecue backyard favorite. And that is
going to be buffalo jackfruit dip, which is a spin and play on buffalo chicken dip. So
yes.
Stay tuned. It's delicious. So.
It is amazing. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Oh wait, and
What?
thanks Allan. Thank you
yeah,
for joining
of
the
course.
Cotton Creations channel and showing some love and sharing all your amazing recipes.
Yeah, of course.
And don't think I'm not gonna have Allan back. I'm definitely gonna try and get him back on here for a few more recipes before the end of the year. So yeah, so thanks friends. Show Allan some love down in the comment section down below, and thanks for watching.
Bye y'all. Thank you.